synthetic molecules that can make precise edits in that genome. They scan the DNA looking for a specific fault and then either inactivate the faulty gene or insert a working copy with the aim of treating the disease. If the technique is used with IVF embryos, in theory it might enable genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis or Huntington's disease to be cured at conception. The Hingston Group argue it might be morally acceptable to allow genetically altered babies to be born at some point, but only if it was proved safe and effective. One of the inventors of gene editing thinks it would be wrong to allow changes in the so-called germline, the DNA that's passed down in eggs and sperm.
Personally, I don't think that it is acceptable to manipulate the human germline for the purpose of changing some genetic traits that will be transmitted over generations.
This area is controversial. The US federal government has already refused to fund any gene editing of embryos. Fergus Walsh, BBC News.
The Labour leadership campaign enters its final hours today, and hopefuls Andy Burnham, Yvette Cooper, Jeremy Corbyn and Liz Kendall are expected to make a last push for votes.
Yes, the winner will be announced on Saturday morning. Let's go to our political correspondent Ben Wright in Westminster for us this morning. So, Ben, we're in the final stages now, but who'd have thought it would end up this way?
Extraordinary. 3 months on, really, from when this contest got going, that here we would be on the eve of the new Labour leader being unveiled, crowned.